Hey, it's time for another edition of Wave Waggin Wednesday with our friends from Dogwood Animal Shelter. This is Hiccup today. Yes, you heard me right. Hiccup is this week's pet from Dogwood Animal Shelter. And Verna, first of all, do you know why he's named Hiccup? Does he have hiccups?
Not that I've noticed. They called him Hiccup Baby and kind of just stuck to Hiccup.
I got you.
So maybe that's what he was doing when he first came in.
Well, he's a wonderful boy. How old is he?
We believe he's about 7 months old,
Okay.
according to the vet. And we've had him in the shelter since January 4th. A couple said he showed up in their front yard skinny and freezing. They brought him in for the night and then brought him to us because they already had 2 dogs. And Hiccup, take a look.
Yeah.
And we've got him all healthy and happy. And when you go into the shelter, he's one of the front dogs because he's a puppy and he's running loose. He's going to run up and greet you the first time. I know we're going to have a lot of applications for him.
And speaking, I mean, obviously of the condition he was found, he does look wonderfully healthy. He's obviously a happy boy. And he'd make a great pet for you. So why don't you pay him a visit? He is at Dogwood Animal Shelter, DAS, Lake of the Ozarks.com. That's the website to pay him a visit. But and how does he get along with the other dogs, by the way, Vernon?
Very well, very well. He's well, there's only 5 dogs up front right now.
Right.
And they're all about the same size.
Okay.
And they're all about the same age. So it's quite a fraternity.
Well, we're going to try to break up that pack. So let's get it done. And this week's pet from Dogwood Animal Shelter is Hiccup. Thanks, Verna. There's another edition of Wave Waggin Wednesday on 101.9 The Wave.